Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Arris modem settings step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your computer or device is connected to the Arris modem. This can be done via a wired Ethernet connection or through Wi-Fi. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for the Arris modem. Common addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. A login page should appear, prompting you for a username and password. The default username is often admin. The default password is typically password or admin. If you have changed this information in the past, enter your custom credentials. Once entered, click the Login button. If the login is successful, you will be directed to the modem settings page. From here, you can configure various settings for your network. Take your time to navigate through the options available. If you encounter any issues, check that your device is connected properly. You may need to reset the modem if you can't remember your login credentials. To reset, look for the Reset button on the back of the device. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. This will restore factory settings, including the default username and password. After resetting, repeat the login process as outlined. Now you can make adjustments to your modem settings as needed. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the settings page. It's essential to maintain a secure password for your network to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.